Welcome to the 2021 Spring Open House for Tri-City Christian Academy. My name is Diane West. I'm a part-time guidance counselor, part-time teacher, with my main courses being math courses. And so I'm going to talk to you about both of those fields tonight. If you were to come to my table at a live open house, an in-person open house, I would talk about the graduation requirements for Tri-City Christian Academy. Most students choose to graduate with at least 24 credits. You can find the graduation requirements on our website if you go to tcca-nh.com and you click under academics, click on high school, and then on high school again, and then scroll all the way down and you will see some documents listed there. You would want to go to the 2021 high school course catalog. And on the, I think it's the first or the second page, you'll see our graduation requirements. Students usually choose a college-bound track or a vocational track. The difference is, in the college-bound track, you need 2 credits in foreign language, and in the vocational track, you need 2 credits in vocational education. Please feel free to contact me at dwest, D-W-E-S-T, at tcca-nh.com for any questions regarding vocational education and any documents that you might think that you need so that you can be prepared for graduation, for your child's graduation. We also partner with the Virtual Learning Academy Charter School. Sometimes students take classes there for enrichment or to meet requirements for classes that maybe they can't schedule in exactly when they want to. Another thing that I like to talk about is dual enrollment, which is when a student takes a college class in high school and receives both college credit and high school credit. We have had a number of students do that as well, and I can guide you through that process. So that's all I'm going to talk to you about tonight, guidance counselor related. Now I want to talk to you about math. Oh, one more thing. If you would like me to phone call you, give you a phone call during open house time, email me what your phone number is, and I'll call you during this open house time. Okay, so on to my subject that I teach. It's math. This year I'm teaching pre-calculus. No, I'm not. I'm teaching Algebra 2. Pre-calculus is next year. This is my Algebra 2 book that I use. We use Bob Jones curriculum. When you are doing a college-bound track, the usual courses that you take are algebra, geometry, and Algebra 2 as a minimum. That's what most colleges like to see you have, at least that. Some schools, if you don't have that, they'll have you take some sort of remedial math course, or they'll ask you to take an AccuPlacer test so that they can figure out where you place. During COVID, the SAT and the ACT are optional for most college-bound students, for most colleges. Okay, now I want to talk to you about next year's courses. The 2 courses that we're going to teach next year are geometry. This is what the textbook looks like. Again, Bob Jones. In that course, students will learn logic skills and reasoning, They will learn proofs, both 2-column proofs and paragraphs proofs, maybe some diagram proofs. They will learn about shapes, quadrilaterals, triangles, other polynomials. They'll learn about solids, angles, this standard geometry things. And the other course that we are going to teach next year is pre-calculus. Pre-calculus, I like to think of it as trigonometry, which is dealing with sine, cosine, tangent, and analytic geometry. Actually taking the Algebra 2 course to a higher level, a review of polynomials and functions, a lot more in depth with conic sections. The pre-calculus class also has statistics, because that's a requirement for a lot of colleges. So that's an overall view. Again, if you want to contact me, if you want me to call you during this time, I can email you, I can phone call you. Just give me an email, shoot me an email at dwest@tcca-nh.com. Love to talk to you further about it. Thank you.